Hello, my name is Guillermina Santana Zarzuela, and here I present my project of the Virgin of the Mercedes. The Virgin of Mercedes, or of the Merced, is the patron of the Dominican Republic. Um, he is his devotion by the Catholic population of the country began almost since the discovery of the Islam. His party is celebrated on September 2014. The Marian, the Marian title the Merced that back to the founding of the religious order or the Mercedaries on August 10, 1215 in Barcelona, Spain. Today, so many years later, the veneration of the Holy Virgin has become a tradition of Dominican where their parishioners worship and venerate it in different ways. Thank you for your attention.